Assalamualaikum everyone. Right now I am for new feature available for Fiverr multi bulk upload, product bulk upload. See this one for zero product, show for zero product, not product found. I'm go to for bulk upload. First download this file and just click here. Already download for link and open. See this one for title, subtitle. This one for temporary file. Remove for temporary file. Just for you need for this section for need. See this one for all for feature for title already create. So I am already create for this one. See this one I am already create for lots of file. For name, product name is for all product name and product description. This one for all product name and product for short description, for short description 2 and short description 3. This one for a price table, short description 1, short description 2 and short description 3. So I'm gonna say for sorry, see this one for title, this one title, and I'm go to this one for title. Just for I will for remove, and this one for starting for this one thing to this one title, and second for sub description. Okay, this one for description 1 2 3. See this one for description 1, description 2 and description for 3, and also for this one for not this one, this one. Okay, 1 2 3 already finished. Then this one for price 1 2 3. See this one for price 1 2 3. So this one for price 1, price 2 and also price 3, and go to for day. This one for day, and for day 1 to day 1 to 3 access for delivery. See this one for delivery 1, sorry, this one for delivery 1, delivery 2 and delivery 3, and revision 1 2 3. For this one for revision example revision 1, revision 2 and revision 3. So last tag is for keyword. You can add for keyword. See this one for 4 keyword showing. See for tag, this one tag 1 2 tag 3, this one for title and this one for keyword. I'm go to for Fiverr. See this one for title and this one for keyword, this one for title and this one for keyword. Okay, and for others file for example image URL and for description. Just for this one for missing, I don't know. See this one for description and this image URL. So this one for image I am just for copy for URL image copy address, this one for paste it, and also for description, this one for description. So you need for HTML code example and just open, remove. See this one for HTML, copy this one for first edit. See right now this one start copy, and for this one copy to paste for full for description code embed code. Okay, right now I am already for create for everything. So I am already this file I am already for create. So I am upload this file and 10 I hope this one for almost 10k product, already 10k product upload, maybe 1.2k. okay, just for go to for this one I'm just select for take and program example, select for anything, just select for, see this one for take and program, select first, and second select for WordPress, and third select for customization. For all field automatically showing. So I'm just trying for reload. Okay, see this one for blank. So take and program, WordPress, and for customization all field right now available. Just for tick example tick, for content upload, yes content upload, and for revision is revision. Okay, okay. E-commerce feature available, no, yes, yes. And page upload for 3, 5 and 10. All gig for available for install 1, 2 and 3. And for select for freelancer name, just for select for freelancer name, and third select for desktop, and select for this one file, just open. See, already for finish, just for upload, and all 10K file upload. So I'm right now see again for product description, product, all product list for 0 right now, for 0, and just for upload. Hello everyone, right now this product is successfully upload. I am go to for product list. See, this one for already active for 1.2k 5 products. I'm already showing that. And just for go to Excel for see this one file, just below button. See this one for 1252, and go to for product upload 1251. Just one product missing because for first this one title for 1, see this one package for 1, this one for remove for this one. So I'm go to for product details. See, successfully for this one for name, this one for description 1, description 2 and 3, for price, also for price, and also for tick mark for number of page, for 10, for 5, for 3, install for 1, 2 and 3. Is successfully installed, amazing feature. For revision and for delivery date, for price, and see this one for description. This one for fully successfully completely for package bulk uploader is amazing fact, amazing for feature. So this one for successfully for already uploaded. And go to for this one for WordPress and customization. See, this one for every package already include. See this one for successfully for all image input. And see this one for product, already last product. I'm go to last product. See this one perfectly installed for everything, it's perfectly installed. So I hope like my video, please subscribe our channel, and also for need this file, so contact for my WhatsApp. And thank you.